May Yaldua, Troop S1, Iris Murmillo, Troop S2, Christian Alex Nobleza, Troop S3, Bobby D. Negrete, Troop S4, Sarah May Palbuena, Troop S5, Nicole Badong, Troop S6, Major Leader, Marian A. Bardon, DLC Leader, Eric Lontayo Jr., CTP Alpha Company Commander, Alvic Johan Alvingola, CTP Alpha Company EXO Chris Poligaspi, First Platoon Leader Boys Jarik Nobleza, Second Platoon Leader Boys Alvin King, CTP Bravo Company Commander Nazrin Azur, CTP Bravo Company EXO Janine Malto, First Platoon Leader Girls Jody Ann Bayrato, Second Platoon Leader Girls Leia May Dimaiwat, Mapay Company Commander Prince Charles Martinez, Mapay Company EXO Kurt Nabor, First Platoon Leader Mark Justin Gonzalez, Second Platoon Leader Angelique Abato, School Head Silvino Pinanson, CTP Company Gonzalez, Mark Dennis Jimenez, Kevin De Los Santos, Majors Coordinator Monique Bozon Alcantara, Ruel Dosaya, Miriam Diari Mora, John Paul B. Babol. Entry number 18, San Agustin Senior High School, San Agustin, Quiriguas City. Thank you. Entry number 18, San Agustin Standalone Senior High School, Quiriguas City. I would like to